Hey everyone, thank you for joining me for part 3 of 3 in this series where we've been exploring elbow strikes in Wing Chun. If you haven't seen the other 2 videos, I encourage you to go back and check them out. But right now, let's get going. Right, so for our next one, we're going to look at this downward elbow. And the motion of it, basically, the elbow goes up just above the shoulder and then it comes crashing back down again, with gravity assisting it, alright? So we're still going to do that with our Jun Ma. Notice I'm protecting my face each time. I'm not letting my hands drop away. This is your basic practice of this. This is why we're doing it with Jun Ma first, okay? So you get a basic understanding of the coordination of the hands and some movement of the body. But imagine a scenario where your arms are already out, or someone's lifted your arm up really rapidly, they're trying to use this space. You might need to drop that elbow really suddenly. Same here, you might need to drop that elbow really suddenly. And it's multi-purpose in that it can be the strike, or it can be a barrier between you and an advancing opponent. Gone back, you drop the elbow, come back in, back, elbow, back, elbow, back, elbow. Maybe follow it up with a nice knee or something, right? Let's have a look at the next one. What we're going to do is move one foot slightly forwards and the other one slightly back. So forward, back. You're elbowing on the back motion. Forward, back, come back to neutral. Forward, back to neutral. Forward, back to neutral. Forward, back to neutral. Simple way to practice that with putting your body behind the action. Let's take a look at the next one. Right, so for our last one, we're now going to look at what we call cut giant in Wing Chun, right? Where the elbow comes over and diagonally down, over and diagonally down. And we're going to do this once again with our Jun Ma turning stance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? You need to arc your body a little bit. It's pointless just doing it like this. There's no power, yeah? You want to drop your body weight onto it. You know, gravity's free. Use a little bit of it sometimes, right? You can help a little bit. Right? Down, down, down with that elbow. Notice that when I do my changeover, this hand, my left hand, is coming across my face, so it covers that line towards me as the elbow is doing its action and sinking. Then the guard hand comes to the side of my face. So I'm not doing it like this. This is lazy and you're going to get hit, okay? So we keep everything compact here. Now, I'm not suggesting that you're going to do multiple of these elbows in a row, but it's good practice to cover up the lines of motion as you're doing any strike, yeah? Otherwise, this will become your habit and your truth. And also, we can do that by triangle step, advancing, elbow here, elbow here, elbow here, elbow, 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 elbow. Sink on the elbow, right? Down, down, forward, down, down, forward. Thanks very much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, get in touch, and I'll see you in the next one.